This is a Bud Light sign, San Francisco 49ers Bud Light sign that came in yesterday. And what I want to tell you on this video is what do you have to consider when sending a photo by email, so I can see, so I can give you a quote. So first of all, on this one, you have to check how big the section is, because that's the amount of work. That's going to tell me the amount of work that I'm going to put into the making a new section. In this case, it's the whole helmet, and you can see that it's broken over there, and also down here. So that tells me exactly how much work I'll have to put into to make a new section, because about 99% of the time I have to make a new section. I don't like to go into old glass, because it's very brittle and breaks very easily. So it's a lot less work just to make a new one. And the other thing that you can do is check the sign to see if that's the only thing that's wrong. So to do that, you go to one end of the section, and you uncover the rubbers over the electrodes. This is the electrode, and at the other end there's another electrode. Each section has two electrodes. And then you get a piece of wire. I have these alligator clip wires. You can connect one end to the wires on one electrode, and then the other end to the wires on the other side, on the other electrode. And then you connect the sign to the power. And you can see that everything is lighting up now again. So what I did was reestablish the flow of electricity on the sign. Whenever a unit breaks, it interrupts the flow of electricity, so it doesn't light up. But when you jump it with a wire, like I just did, it'll light up again. So what I need is a photo of the complete section, so I can see how much work there is to do. Next thing I have to do is remove the neon from the sign, which if you're not local, you would have to do, and then send it to me.